Welcome to the world of English. Hello, my friends. I'm Ina, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Ollie. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, we're talking about something very useful and very kind. It's about helping and being helped.
Yes, our topic is how to ask for help in English. We will learn polite and clear phrases for many situations. For example, if you are lost and need directions, or if you need a small favor from a friend or neighbor.
This lesson will be calm, clear, and full of practice. We will repeat the most important phrases many times so you can remember them easily.
Asking for help is a good thing. It is smart and it is kind. Today, you will learn how to do it with confidence. Let's start with the most important word, help.
The simplest way is to say, "Can you help me, please?" Listen, "Can you help me, please?" The word please makes it polite. Let's all say it together. Can you help me, please?
Perfect. Now, if you need something specific, you can add it. For example, can you help me, please? I'm looking for the library. We will practice many sentences like this today.
Wonderful start. You are already learning. Let's begin our main chat.
Let's imagine you are in a new place. You are lost, you need directions. Important words, lost, excuse me, where is, how do I get to, left, right, straight.
First, you need to get someone's attention politely. We say, "Excuse me." Say it with me. Excuse me.
Good. Then you can ask your question. The most common question, excuse me, where is the train station? Or, excuse me, where is the nearest hospital?
Let's practice that structure. Excuse me, where is the place? Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Sometimes you need to go to a street or a building. You can ask, excuse me, how do I get to Park Street?
And then listen carefully to the answer. People might say, go straight, meaning go forward, turn left, turn right. It's on your left.
Let's have a practice conversation. Ollie, you are a friendly person on the street. I am lost. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
How do I get to the post office?
Go straight for 5 minutes. The post office is on your right.
Thank you so much.
Did you hear, "Excuse me, can you help me please?" And "How do I get to—" Listeners, repeat these two questions. Now, let's talk about asking for favors. A favor is a small, kind help. For example, asking a colleague to pass a paper, or asking a neighbor to watch your house for a short time.
We must be very polite here. A very good phrase is, could you please? Or, would you mind? Could you please open the window? Would you mind passing the salt?
Could you please is a little more formal and very polite. Say it with me. Could you please help me with this?
If you are with a friend or family, you can say, can you do me a favor? First you ask this question, then you explain the favor.
For example, "Hi Sarah, can you do me a favor? Could you please water my plants tomorrow morning?" See, first the general question, then the specific request.
It's also kind to give a reason. I'm sorry to ask, but could you please speak a little slower? My English is still learning. This is clear and polite.
Listeners, let's practice a full favor request. Repeat after me. Could you please send me that email again? Thank you so much.
Sometimes we need help urgently. We need to be very clear and strong, but still polite. Important phrases, I need some help. I need assistance, please. Could someone help me, please?
In a public place, if you don't know who to ask, you can say, "Excuse me, I need some help." For example, if you're in a supermarket and can't find something, "Excuse me, I need some help finding the rice."
If you have a problem, you can explain it simply. I'm having a problem with, or I'm having trouble with. I'm having trouble with my computer.
In more urgent cases, it's okay to say directly, "Please help me," or "Can someone please help?" Your safety is most important.
Let's put many phrases together in a longer story. Allie, you tell a story about needing help.
Last week, I was at the airport. I felt a little worried. I could not find my gate. I saw a security officer. I said, "Excuse me, I need some help, please." I said, I'm having trouble finding gate B12. The officer was very kind. He said, "Go straight and turn left." I said, "Thank you for your help." I felt much better.
That story had many of our phrases. Listeners, let's repeat the key request from that story. Excuse me, I need some help, please. I'm having trouble finding gate B12. We are near the end of our time learning how to ask for help. Let's recap the most important phrases.
To get attention, excuse me.
General help, can you help me, please?
For directions, where is the, and how do I get to?
For polite favors, could you please, and can you do me a favor?
For problems, I need some help, and I'm having trouble with.
You have learned so many useful phrases today. You can do this. Now for our community question. We love to hear from you.
Our question is, who is someone you often ask for help? A family member? A friend? A teacher?
Please share with us in the comments. It is good to appreciate the helpful people in our lives. Who is someone you often ask for help?
Are you ready for a quick fun game quiz?
Yes, it's game time. I will say a situation, and Allie will say the correct phrase to ask for help. You think of the answer too.
Okay. Situation, you are in a shop. You cannot find the milk. What do you say to a shop worker?
I say, excuse me, can you help me please? Where is the milk?
Perfect. My turn. Situation, you are in class. You don't understand the teacher's question. What do you say politely?
I say, excuse me, could you please repeat the question?
Excellent. Next. Situation, your phone is not working. You need to ask a friend.
I say, can you do me a favor? Could you please look at my phone?
Very good. Next. Situation, you are on a busy street. You need to find the hospital. You ask a stranger.
I say, excuse me, how do I get to the nearest hospital?
Perfect. Last one. Situation, you are carrying many heavy books. The door is closed. You see someone nearby.
I say, excuse me, could you please open the door?
Wonderful. All correct. And listeners, I'm sure you got them all right too.
Thank you, dear friends, for learning with us today. Remember, asking for help is a strength. Now you can do it politely in English.
Practice these phrases this week. Try to use one. You will feel more confident. We believe in you.
Thank you for your time and your wonderful effort. Keep learning, keep being kind, and never be afraid to ask for help.
From both of us at World of English, goodbye, and may your day be peaceful and successful.
Goodbye.